Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dwight here at Retro Crypto. What an exciting day it is. Why is it exciting? Nobody really knows what's going to happen. And if you're wondering why a lot of YouTubers aren't posting, because they're waiting to see what the outcome will be. They're afraid that they'll be blamed for giving you the wrong advice or saying, or they'll make it a wrong call. Me, as always, I don't care. I am just another guy out there on the internet, as ordinary as they can get, that just has a passion for cryptocurrency. I am not a financial advisor. It's important you do your own research, okay? But I'm gonna tell you what I'm doing and how I feel about the crypto market right now. Um, I'm not overly nervous. I think that it's just a pullback due to the fact the Feds are going to increase interest rates, and I just think it's normal activity. I'm actually starting to see some green in here. There was no green at all earlier. But hold on, let me get a sip of this coffee here. All right, so with that said, please subscribe to my channel. All you gotta do is put your hand on that mouse with just your little fingertip. Your little finger, I'm always looking wrong. Look, your little fingertip. Hit that little button, subscribe. Help me out so much. And do the same thing with the like button. YouTube will send my video out to more people. We can all grow together. All right. Now let's look at this market right now. Went looking for a different site I haven't used for a while, so I decided to go with Coin 360. It's a pretty cool look. Bitcoin's currently at $43,051. It's the floor is lava, as Richard Hart loves to say, the founder of HEX. Lava. The floor is lava. It's hot. It is hot. But if you can't stand on heat, get out the kitchen. You know what I'm saying? Old school saying. There's a lot of truth to it. And I don't even got the AC on yet. I'm good to go. All right. So with all that said, let's take a closer look at this here. Uh, where I want to start here. Okay, let's start right here. This is the overall total um, market all the cryptocurrency together, like the Nasdaq, S&P 500, etc. You'll see right here. I made a little note that this was the December 4th pullback right here that dipped down, and we haven't actually hit that yet. So this is that key resistance point for the overall cryptocurrency market. So this is encompasses every single project out there. Um, but right now we're sitting right here at what 2.31 trillion. Yes, I said trillion. Crypto is exploding. Hopefully we don't break this line of support here. If we break this line of support, then it's going to go. I don't know. The next line of support would be right about here, actually. So you see how it works. Now let's keep it moving forward. All right, now let's look at Bitcoin. We're look at this a little bit closer. If you look at Bitcoin right here, that was the December 4th point right there. The December 3rd pullback was Bitcoin's initial drop. And right now we're at that resistance point. So everybody in the crypto world is sitting back watching to see what the heck's going to happen right here, right now. Because right, if it breaks this line of resistance and drops down to say 41.8, 41.8 would be anything under 42. It looks like. Yeah, it could be a little bit of a free fall. Hopefully it catches here, but at 39,660. But if it does that, then there's no reason why it may even drop lower, guys. But you just have to be prepared for it. A lot of people have predicted it. It didn't happen. I'm hoping it doesn't, but anything can happen, guys. The most strongest resistance point looks like it's right about 30,000, honestly. So we'll have to see what happens, guys. Hopefully it doesn't pull all the way back, but anything can happen. I'm hoping that this resistance line that is really holding out hard right now. So hopefully, and I see a little bit of green in there, so hopefully it works out in our favor. But that's what everybody's doing. They're sitting back and they're just watching us today. Um, RSI is underbought. Bitcoin's underbought, so no brainer. Um, very much oversold. We'll just have to see what happens. All right. Coin. This is what is this? Coin Paprika. Just quick overlook at the top 20. Like I said, Bitcoin's at it's 42,929 on Coin Paprika. Ethereum at 3,355. Serious pullback. USDT, blah. That's a stable coin. Binance coins at $462. Hex is at 21.8 cents. Hopefully it'll start going up again. Solana, not the biggest fan of Solana's project, just because I keep hearing rumors of it being backed by what is it? Capital Ventures, whatever. Large companies, big business backing Solana. So I'm kind of hesitant on that project. And I don't like the fact that when it actually went down like 2 or 3 times in the last couple months, and then they were able to do a reboot that was too smooth, almost like it is centralized and not decentralized. Just something to think about there. Cardano is sitting at $1.21. It's a good chance to buy, in my opinion, but I dollar cost average every day because I believe in the long run with Cardano. Terra Luna tends to do good when the market does pullbacks. So I'm surprised that it did not go up today. So I don't have an answer for that, but that's interesting. The other times when the market did do a pullback, Terra Luna responded positively. And well, all right, let's just keep moving. You guys get the gist. It's not a good day for anybody, but I do see some green showing up in this hour chart. So hopefully things could change quickly, guys, very quickly. All right, so let's take a peek here at HEX. HEX right now is at what, 21 cents, well, almost 22 cents. It's budding right around here. I did a fib retracement ahead of time, and you'll see that at the 50% point, which is basically if it hits a 50% and goes back down, it's staying in a bear market. And currently it is clearly in the bear market with the fib retracement. It didn't even get to the point to test it yet, so we're going to have to wait to see what happens. uh the 20-day moving average. Let's clear this out of the plate way real quick here, guys. We'll just do this. All right. All right. So right here, you'll see the 20-day moving average is sitting above the 200-day moving average, which is not great. The 50-day moving average is just dipped underneath the 100-day moving average. So it's not looking great, guys, but neither is the market. So just be calm. HEX has a huge, huge future. Don't let them sell yourself short. All right, right here, this site here. I was looking for cool things to talk about today. I forgot about this site here, HEX Daily Stats. HEX Daily Stats does give a good breakdown of where HEX stands right now. It's currently at day 765 on January. Well, this is from January 5th, which for me is yesterday, and it ended the day at 19 cents, 19.1979 cents. Price change is a negative 18%. The return on invested multiplier from all-time low. Man, if you brought it at the all-time low, you would be up 3,506x. That is absolutely amazing. The payout per T-share is at 7.921. T-share price is currently $3,995. T-share rate is 20,183.8 hex. Increasing T-share rate by 6.1. Average stake length currently is 6.07 years. That's pretty impressive. API interest rate plus ESS penalties, 50.74%. Liquidity pool with HEX has 142,577,127. And so on and so on. But yeah, this site's really cool. So if you guys want to bookmark it, it's just a neat way to keep up with the HEX, see where it's currently standing. Currently, PulseX sacrifice is at 307,341,520. That is amazing. Top 10 most sacrificed coins are HEX, Ethereum, USDC. I'm gonna tell you why USDC, because like days like today, when the floor turns to lava like that, your USDC retains its value, USDT retains its value, so does USD, BUS, Binance, US dollar, and DAI. These are all stable coins. They they follow the US dollar, so they stay stable. No brainer. If any of you guys didn't know that. Let's go back over here. Tether, DAI, Wrap Bitcoin, then Chainlink, Shiba Inu. I consider that garbage, in my opinion. Wise token. I'm actually shocked to see Wise token move up that much. I might have to take another peek at Wise token, guys. There's a project I knew about a while ago. The bull market kicked in. It didn't impress me. I was like, eh. But to see it on here makes me want to look into it a little bit closer, guys. All right, and then Uniswap. All right, let's keep moving forward. All right, as always, I'll put this in here. Just remember, if you do choose to sacrifice to Richard Hart's PulseX project, which is going to be like Uniswap, make sure you follow the directions. Do not, absolutely do not um, sacrifice from your wallet. You got to sacrifice bet from a MetaMask wallet. Do not try to sacrifice. I'm sorry. Do not sacrifice from your exchange wallet like Qcoin, Kraken. Coinbase has separate wallets. So Coinbase might be all right now, but there was a time when it was absolutely not okay. But Richard Hart strongly suggests you stick with MetaMask. I'm suggesting you stick with MetaMask and absolutely never sacrifice from the exchange. All right. All right, let me get a quick drink of coffee here, and let's take a look at Cardano. Cardano is holding out right now at 0.21 a dollar and $1.21 28 cents. 20, yeah, $1.21. It's just holding out. You can see this line of resistance go straight across, and it's kind of cool. I didn't notice this earlier. There's actually a lot. It's on a very strong point of resistance right here. So if I take and I draw a horizontal line right here, you'll see that this very strong point of resistance here. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points of resistance. Now, pray to God it doesn't break this, because if it does break that point of resistance, looks like its next point will be around $1.14. Then the next point will be like $1.03. We don't want to do that. If I'm not mistaken, this was around these. Oh, this goes back to July. So we absolutely don't want to see this happen, okay? But anything can happen in crypto, and I absolutely love Cardano. The project's not going anywhere. All right. Ergo. I am going to make a note. I'm going to write it down right now. Ergo. I'm going to buy some Ergo today. I'm going to tell you why. Ergo is Charles Hoskison's, the founder of Cardano's favorite crypto project. Need I say more? And it is at a bargain discount rate right now. First time I brought it, it was up here. I brought it near the top. No, I didn't. I brought it here, and around $10. And right now it's at $4, and it actually rode this line of resistance for a long time. Since December 9th, it's just been sitting here. And today it's just dipped down beneath it. I'm going to go ahead and stock up some more. This is a risky purchase. The right now it's showing that it's underbought. It's definitely on a strong sell point. I'm going to buy some because I'm going to hold this long term, because with it being Charles Hoskinson's most favorite crypto project next to Cardano, that's all I need to hear. So I'm just going to let you guys know what I'm doing. I'm not saying for you to do this. This is what I'm doing. I am buying some Ergo today. All right. Let's keep it moving. Muesli swap. I don't even know why I put Muesli swap in here. Yes, I do. All right. Muesli swap. I like going in here just to see what it has listed, to see where things are going, because a lot of Cardano projects aren't on any exchanges or anything yet. And this is the only DEX that's actually live on the Cardano blockchain officially. SunnySwap's coming very soon. And the second SunnySwap hits the market, it's just going to explode. And we all know this. So I like looking in here just to see what's going on and what projects are on here currently. I'm not saying you should go here and buy anything, but it's a great place to start doing investigations. Because that's what I'm planning on doing the rest of the day, because the market's pretty sad. So it's a chance to sit back and start to look for new projects. And the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to Cardano Cube. Cardano Cube has the entire ecosystem. Matter of fact, I want you guys to do me a favor. I want you guys to take a peek at Cardano Cube. Pick the projects you want me to look into, and I'm going to look into them, and I'm going to do videos. All you got to do is leave a comment. I'm thinking about focusing over here on the DeFi area. I'm not sure if you guys agree. You may think that it should be loaning borrowing, or you may think that infrastructure is more important. Please don't actually do the meme coins. I'm sick of meme coins. And if you want to know, I think Hosky is kind of the official meme coin, but everybody's calling it garbage as usual. So I'm staying away from all that stuff. But I want to start looking at DeFi. But leave me a comment. Whatever projects you want me to look into that's on the Cardano ecosystem, please leave it in the comments, and I will look into them. And we'll do a video, and it can only help me and everybody else, all the viewers. All right. Let's take a peek here. Polkadot. Polkadot is, see, I did a fib this morning. I did a Fibonacci retracement. This is the point of resistance at the 50% point. It slipped under that resistance point on November 25th. It came up and tested it on December 1st. It got rejected, and then it's dropped down. And it's been down here in this lower range right now. I can't say it's in a buy zone. It's definitely underbought right now. But you can't go wrong with Polkadot. So my problem with people is they always want to buy it when it's in the green. The YouTubers all want to come out and blowing their whistles and waving their flags when the market's in the green. Well, right now the market's in the red, and I'm looking over here at the screen. Sorry, guys, and I'm seeing it's starting to struggle possibly to get out of the red. But this is the point where you want to buy something. You want to buy it when it's down. You don't want to buy things when they're up. And Polkadot definitely has a huge future. And it may not be this bull run. It may be the next one. This project I'm planning on holding on for a long time. But that's what I'm doing. But let's see. And as you, just like yesterday, these the 20-day, the 50-day, the 100-day, and 200-day, they're all twisted so tight. Nobody knows what's going to happen. But it looks like a good point to go ahead and pick up some. But it's definitely still in a downward trend, and there's nothing to indicate why it's not going to go a little bit lower. But as you guys probably already know, you really can't time the market. You know what I mean? All right. And we'll look at Decentraland right now. Decentraland is the only project of all the stuff that, I talk about all the time, of all the projects that I actually talk about often. Decentraland is the one that looks like it's trying to hold the line. It dropped a little bit, but not much compared to everybody else. It's actually fairly impressive that it only dropped from 311 down to 284, and it's just holding that line. If you don't know, Decentraland Mana is a metaverse project, and that's the way of the future. They haven't quite figured out all the ways they're going to use it, but I know it's going to be gaming. I've seen a project out there that's like a consultation business. So... Sorry, I turned around and looked. We have a cat. The cat actually opens the doors in the house. So I thought it was a ghost, and it was a stupid cat. But anyway, yeah, you guys definitely want to look at Decentraland. I actually really like how it held the line here. That's a very strong project. That means the people holding this project aren't willing to sell their bags. They're holding on to them because they see the value in it long term. That's important, guys. Remember, Decentraland, the symbol is mana. You heard it from Retro Crypto. All right, moving on. Sheldon, he's a huge on a Crypto Banter. They're a huge YouTuber channel on cryptocurrency. I like this here. It said, I just support the dip, but it keeps dipping. It's part of the game, guys. You got to hold that line sometimes. All right. Now, with that said, I'll probably have more videos out. I'm gonna be off work next few days, so feeling better. Don't feel great, but yeah. Please leave comments, leave questions, suggestions, whatever. I appreciate it all. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that like button. It helps me out so much. And until next time, stay blessed, stay happy, stay merry, and most of all, stay profitable. All right, guys. Bye.